Managing the apps available to users in your Google Workspace domain can be done easily through the Admin Console. Here's how to enable or disable apps for your domain. Log into Google Admin Console. Visit the Google Admin Console at admin.google.com and log in with your admin credentials. Navigate to Apps section. In the Admin Console, click on the Apps section from the main dashboard. Select Google Workspace. Under the Apps section, click on Google Workspace to view all available apps. Enable or disable individual apps. In the Google Workspace apps list, you will see individual apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, etc. To enable an app, click on its name and make sure it's set on for everyone or specific groups. To disable an app, click on the app name and set it off for everyone or adjust it for specific organizational units or groups. Apply changes. Once you've enabled or disabled the desired apps, click Save to apply the changes. Inform users. Notify users if important apps are being disabled or enabled to ensure they are aware of any changes.